guys, now we're in Michael's car. This is the husband, the one that got his wife involved in racing in this crazy Toyota. So now we're in his car. So guys, we're in Michael's car, as I mentioned. Guys, I don't know how the audio sounds due to me not having mics, but hopefully you can hear Michael speak. So Michael, tell us about MXM Racing.
There's a small shop in Rietfontein. I like making cars fast, man.
So that's where it all started?
Yeah. Since a small boy, I loved speed.
So which was the first car you built? Like
this one.
This was your first build?
Yeah, I built this car 16 years ago. It was a twin cam car.
Yes.
And then I think 4 or 5 years after that I changed it to the RB. But then it was a RB25.
Okay.
Now it's a RB30 with a big turbo and a few nice parts.
Things just went crazy from there.
Yeah.
But you know you built one of Akasi favorite car, that 217 Aja Golf.
Oh yeah.
That Golf has been making people go crazy.
Yeah, no.
First gear burnout, second.
Darby is enjoying his car too much.
And tell them something that's gonna shock them about that car. Tell them.
It's a stock motor, 1.6 turbo Golf, bro.
That's all there is to that car.
Yeah, that's all that is to that car, but it makes a lot of power, and I think it's been 2 years now, 2.5 years. Yeah. Running with boost, no issues.
Just gearboxes. Don't lie to the people.
Gearboxes and I think 2 clutches.
2 clutches?
Yeah, 2 clutches, that's right.
And how many boxes has he broken?
He's on the second one now.
Hey. So I forgot to ask you, what got you into cars? Like, was there someone involved? Your mom?
My mom, yeah.
How a lady?
Mom, yeah, my mom used to race in Mexico there and Casino side.
Mexico, it's not Casino, it's Mexico.
Yeah. But yeah, in the 80s and 90s, and I grew up with the karting around, so yeah.
That's all you know.
All I know is all I want to do as well.
That's all you want to do.
Yeah.
And your Turbo Corolla, as you know, I hate to ask you questions about that car, but you know I'm a Toyota fanboy. I hate to be biased, but when will I be shooting that car?
Soon.
Can't wait to show you that car, guys. But I feel like this one has a special place in your heart.
Yeah, no, this is my first car. I think this is my favorite car as well.
It's your favorite car?
But it's not the car I have the most fun. The most fun is the V8 Corolla.
I feel like it's because it's your favorite car. It has like a sentimental value.
Yeah, no. That's why this car, I don't drive it as well a lot. It's parked most of the time.
Most of the time.
Yeah.
But I feel since you own a racing shop, you don't really get time to enjoy your cars.
No, not a lot. And you have to rush your own things to make it.
Because I've noticed most of the time you put your clients' cars first.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah. Just listen to these guys. My guitar is warm. This is fun. Guys, as you know, Toyota guy, I hate to repeat that, but RBs sound better than 2J. RB sounds better than 2J. The drive is actually nice.
Yeah,
I can't even I maak al die regte klanke.
Ja.
All around sounds. And this is where, oh, check the tires we made with Kevin. I hope you guys can see that. But yeah, we're in Mexico and yeah. Bye, donkey. Thanks to Michael, guys. Shout out to MXM for allowing us to shoot such amazing content today. Guys, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. As you can see, guys, thanks Michael, guys. Make sure to check out MXM shop for anything car related performance wise, guys. Make sure to do so.
It's Michael van MXM Racing.
En jy bou nogal 'n mooi kar.
Dankie.
Maar hierdie kar, you hide it a lot.
Excuse me?
You hide this car a lot.
Ja, ek doen.
Like
Because
you
it's
mentioned in
my
the video.
bawa.
It's your bawa.
Yeah.
So can you please tell me about the car, please?
There's a Datsun GX powered by a Nissan RB30 met 'n
Can we see it?
Ja.
Can we see it? Oh, it has shocks to lift the bonnet. Oh, different level, man.
Thank
Why don't you get shocks for the wife too, man? Huh?
Binnekort.
Hoekom kry jy nie shocks vir jou nie? Hopefully I don't start a household fight now. Ja, that is a groot turbo. You weren't playing when you said P-word.
Ja,
groot.
nee. Dis 'n turbo.
Who made that turbo for you?
Dis turbo het ek by Stallion gekry many years ago.
Yes.
The guy worked there, I think Stian was one of my friends. It's met die turbo gebou baie jare terug. Still, when it was still 25. Yes.
So till this day, it's working. So RB.
Yeah.
So why did you take out the twin cam? Because earlier on you were like you had a twin cam in those GX and then...
I think it's just for the 6-cylinder sound. Ek wou die sound there. And because the twin cam was also powerful, it's getrek. It's net, I love the sound of RB and Skylines. It's dream car.
Like I mentioned in the video, RB sounds better than 2J.
Exactly.
RB, maybe on videos you'd be like 2J, but this thing sounds better. Cause guys, you know I only like Toyotas. For me to say this hurts my heart, but RB sounds better. And apparently they make more power with less boost. It's just that I've heard they're a bit more soft.
Ek sal ook saamstem, ja. Because ek boost nie baie hoog hier nie. But the power is...
The power is there.
Ja.
In die branch, wie die branch gemaakt?
Ja, ek sal.
Can you please make me a branch?
Ek sal vir jou kar een bou, ja.
Oh my god. What gearbox are you running in this car?
It's a Skyline gearbox.
Skyline gearbox.
Yes.
Basically everything is Nissan. Datsun and Nissan is Nissan.
Yeah, there's bits and parts like it's a BMW radiator, golf bottle.
Frankenstein.
Yeah, and like the brake discs is Mercedes-Benz, it's Hilux calipers, so there's a...
And you build this car yourself?
Yeah, ek het alles self gedoen so.
Wasn't it difficult to fit this engine? Cause
Baie.
some of us, we don't build cars.
Baie.
And this turbo also, the way you made this branch work perfectly.
Ja, was a long build. Ek het lang gevat om die RB in te bou so. And even when I upgraded from the 25 to the 30, the engine got higher because the 30's a block is that distance work.
Where?
Yeah.
Yeah. But Michael, I just want to say shout out to you, man.
Dankie.
Shout out to you. Guys, just look at that turbo. But anyways, guys, if you made it this far, shout out to you. And thanks MXM for calling me. Well, I actually begged him. I was like, yo, please let me shoot one of your cars. And yeah, we finally got time. And yeah, peace.
Corolla next to you.
Yeah, the Corolla, please.
Yeah.
Please.
Corolla.
Yeah.